everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make pork rolls with vegetables. They are simmered in savory tasty sauce, which is a typical Japanese soy sauce based broth. They go perfect with white rice and perfect for bento box. It looks really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. First, you want to cut the vegetables into strips. You can use any vegetables you like. Place the vegetables on the end of the pork and start rolling. Place the rolls in the pot. You can also add the vegetable scraps. Then add 1 cup of water just about to cover the ingredients. Then bring to a boil. For the seasonings, you need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of Mirin, sweet sake, remove the foam when it comes to a boil, then add the seasonings. Place a drop lid. Simmer for about 15 minutes until cooked through. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Drizzle with the sauce. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Itadakimasu.
子供には食べられます。食べられないですね。
子供も食べられるよ。
赤ちゃんは食べられないですね。
そうやね。赤ちゃんはちょっと食べれないな。味が染み込んでてすごく美味しいです。
こうやって染み込んでるの？
味がしっかり染み込んでいてって味が吸い込まれてますってことね。
こうやって、こうやって。
もし味の方が気になる人はね、味付けは肉じゃがに似てます。すごく美味しいです。ぜひね、作ってみてください。
またね。
またね。